In the United States, public transportation is convenient for many but essential for some. 46% of public transit users rely on the bus. By utilizing public transportation, it's estimated that the U.S. saves 37 million metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. So why are Americans resistant to using public transportation? Many bus stations don't contain a shelter that can protect against sun, wind, or rain, and often leave riders out in the open, exposed to the elements. Without comfortable bus shelters, few people are going to tolerate inconveniences that come with taking the bus. How might we create ideal conditions that encourage people to utilize the bus instead of their personal vehicles and shelter current bus riders from the elements when waiting for the bus to arrive? Introducing MIMO. MIMO is a bus shelter designed to attract new bus riders and create comfortable conditions for current ones, especially those who don't have the option of another mode of transportation and rely on the bus as a primary source. In learning from nature, we can solve for many human problems in smart and efficient ways. Inspired by the Mimosa pudica plant, MIMO responds to external stimuli to generate shade and protect riders from the elements while waiting for the bus. The Mimosa pudica folds its leaves in response to touch and changes in light. Its responsive nature helps protect it from potential predators and from inclement weather to ensure its survival over long periods of time. With traditional bus shelters, bus riders are exposed to all kinds of conditions, including extreme heat. MIMO combats this by using a kinetic wall to reveal and block sunlight at different hours throughout the day and throughout the seasons. The kinetic wall is made up of individual folding motifs or leaflets. During peak heat levels in the afternoon, MIMO's leaflets open to block sun, preventing overheating in the shelter. It allows for sunlight to filter in during colder days, creating warmth while continuing to block wind. MIMO works with nature to harvest its resources and give back to the community and the earth. The shelter uses solar energy to power electronic ink displays and safety lights, and the shelter's roof facilitates rainwater flow into our water catchment system and natural filtration process to provide drinking water to the community. Excess water drains and collects into our bioswale behind the bus station, beautifying the area and supporting local pollinators, biodiversity, and native flora. We use the inspiration of touch stimulation to develop a flagging system for buses, alerting bus drivers when riders need to be picked up. MIMO addresses several of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, including Goal 7, 9, and 13. If we design a bus system that is easy to use and welcoming to all, we can enhance the lives of those who already use and are new to public transportation to reduce our collective carbon footprint on the environment.